So, andito tayo sa Studio 1 within Northgate Cyber Zone, Philinvest City, Alabang, to check this new foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclose Hub. So, let's go and check this out. So, this is the unit. 12.60 square meters. Parang kasing laki lang ng parking. Studio po siya. Yan. So, talagang ano lang siya, tawag dito, tutulugan mo lang siya. Within the Northgate Cyber Zone to, dito sa may Philinvest City. So, katabi mo dito yung mga call center, mga ospital, and usually yung mga nag-i-stay talaga dito, yung mga nagtatrabaho doon sa mga call center and sa mga hospitals. Yan. Tapos may isa siyang bathroom. Ayan, may shower pa siya, oh. 'Di ba? There's kitchen. Yan. Over and under cabinets. Breaker niya. Sink niya. Yan. Usually naman, yung mga talagang nag-i-stay dito, sa labas na kumakain kasi may mga restaurants, may mga karinderya na rin dito within the area. As in talagang tutulugan mo lang siya. And then yung iba ginagawa siyang parentahan. Kaya siya hanggang 3. Nagla-assemble sila ng bunk bed dito, tapos may isang pull out. Yan. So this is available in cash, or at least 20% spot down payment and then 80% balance bank financing plus taxes and fees. This is around 1.2 million. Below market and zonal value na po yan, and still sale. So if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. This is as is where is upon turnover. So all the movables inside this unit are included in the sale. Okay? Yan. And malapit tayo sa Festival Mall, sa ATC, sa Slex, and sa Skyway. So if you are interested, message us directly. May gym sila. Amenity area. Function area, function hall. Game room.